Hello everyone, today we will learn one of the good strategy to win at Baccarat. I see there is not much of good strategies on the YouTube. So I decided to help out people with my knowledge of the game. I have been playing Baccarat for last 9 years, made a lot of mistakes in beginning. So that's how I have learned my lessons. I don't want you to be like that. So over the years I have worked on my money management strategy and bet selection. Right now I'm doing great with that. But in this video I will sharing a whole different strategy which is good but not that great. So anyway, let's get started. Well, let's get into one of the good strategy to win at Baccarat. There are 3 steps to this strategy. Number 1. Bet selection. Number 2. Bet amount and bankroll strategy. Number 3. How to use this strategy effectively. What should be the win stop and stop loss for this particular strategy? So, step 1. Bet selection. We use 2 different betting strategies here. Number 1, I call it the S-O pattern. And number 2, the S-O pattern. The S-O pattern, we are going to use it in the streaky or sticky situations, and in other cases we use the S-O pattern. Let's get into the explanation of SSO pattern. Here S stands for bet the same as the last decision, and O stands for bet the opposite of the last decision. First, observe one decision. In S-O pattern, we bet the same as the previous decision. After losing 2 consecutive losses, we change to betting opposite of the preceding decisions. After losing 3 consecutive losses, we change the pattern from SSO to S-O. Let's see an example on how to use this for more clear picture. Now we will start with the S-O pattern. Let's observe a decision. It's player. Since we are using the SSO pattern, I'm going to follow the last decisions. So I bet on the player and I won. I will continue till I lose on player. After winning 5 hands in a row, I lost a hand. Since it's banker, now I'm going to follow the same as the last decision. So it's banker and I'm going to bet on banker and I won that hand. And immediately now L lost a hand. Now I'm going to follow the last decision and bet on player. I lost twice in a row, so I'm going to bet opposite of the last decision. I'm going to bet on player and I won that. I will continue betting on the opposite until I lose. I lost a bet, so now I'm going to follow the last decision as per the S-O pattern and I lost it. And again I will bet following the last decision, and bet on player and I lasted again, since lost 3 bets in a row. Now my pattern will be S-O instead of S-O, so I will bet on same as the last decision and bet on banker and I won that, so I keep continuing with banker. So if I had lost it, I would follow the S-O pattern, then next bet would on opposite of the last decisions. Hope everything is clear. Rewatch the whole video. Once you understand, it's very easy to follow. In short, remember this 2 patterns. S-O and S-O. We do transition between 2 patterns only after losing 3 consecutive bets. Let's get into the second part of the strategy. I have displayed few examples on the screen. Choose an appropriate series as per your bankroll. One must follow this 5 rules for effective results. 1. Always start any betting series with the lowest level bet. To begin the $5 betting series, wager $5. If this bet wins, stay at this level of betting. If this bet loses, raise your next bet to the next higher bet in the betting series. 2. If a bet loses, raise the next bet 1 level to the next higher wager in the betting series. If you lose the $5 bet in the $5 betting series, wager $6 next. 3. You will parlay any winning bet. This technique is called making a hammer bet, because it really hammers the casino. Say that you win your first wager of $5. For the next round of play you will leave your winnings up and wager $10, the hammer. If you win the hammer you will have won 3 times the size of your original wager of $5. Your first wager wins $5 and your second bet wins $10 for a total won of $15, which is 3 times the size of the original wager of $5. 4. When you win any hammer bet the betting series is completed. After winning a hammer bet you may call a game completed if you have reached your win goal. If you decide to keep playing you will start the betting series over with a level 1 bet. 5. If you lose a hammer bet, you will increase your next bet 1 level. Good luck everyone. Check out other videos in the channel. Want to get a good deposit bonus? Want to know a trustable casino sites that allows quick withdrawal options? Check out the description for more details. Want to learn my very powerful money management and bet selection strategy? At the moment I'm not ready to teach this to everyone. I will only be teaching to very limited number of people. Find contact details in the description box. Thank you everybody. Enjoy this beautiful life to the fullest.